Good morning. Excuse this. Pull this down. Good morning. We are about to go to LA, drive down. My brother is moving there, and my dad and on my dad's side of the family, they are there for Father's Day and like moving them in and stuff. And there was also a wedding on my stepmom's side. But we're about to drive down today. It's Father's Day, and we are running behind. We were gonna take the scenic route, which I really wanted to take because it's more beautiful on the way to LA from the bay than like necessarily going because you're on the other side of the ocean. But it's like an extra hour and 40 minutes, so we're not able to do it, and that's okay. That's what happens when you wake up late. But yeah, we're about to get out of here. I'm just wearing already what I need to have on to meet them. Look at this hair, it's like so bright.
What's going on? How you doing, man? Montage.
You're looking like one of the Game of Thrones folks.
Right. Targaryens.
Targaryens, that's what I'm thinking.
Rhaegars. Yeah.
Everybody, Joey step forward a little bit, Justin step back, Brianna step a half share back. Everybody got sunlight. Matter of fact, squint. Light skin squint at the sun. Light skin squint at the sun. One time, hold. The current is coming this way. Justin's gonna go out there. I'll meet him there. He is going to paddle into me. I'll paddle into Joe, and we're gonna walk to Brianna. Baywatch fucking style. Let's go.
This all sounds sweet till a wave.
No.
Wait, go, start back in the water. Go back in the water. Go back in the water. Go back. Go back. Okay, come on.
All right, that should get it. I think that I found you.
Okay, what are we actually doing?
Oh my
Come on,
life.
estas beaches.
I pray for someone like you.
And look away. Oh, Joe, whoa. Joe. All right, pulling to you, Dad, and now. Oh my God.
You with the hat on.
Yes. Now you, Justin. Hit him with the, oh, the smolder. The smolder. Now push the hair back. Oh my gosh.
Do it again and let me catch it like this. Like. Speak about the love.
I love Montez so
Don't
much.
look at me though.
Montez takes care of me. He makes sure we're good.
I'm all B-roll. Don't look at me.
He knows. He knows how to make me feel better, but he can also stress me out. But he's open to change, and I'm open to change, and so I feel like that's why we work. What would you say?
I would say the same. I love Angel so much in that she's patient sometimes, not all the time, but is very resilient and very determined. Knows what she wants more times than not, and she takes care of me too, and I really appreciate that. And we, you know, like you said, 4 years.
That was beautiful.
Hello from Anaheim, California. We're about to go to Disneyland. It is my first time ever going. My 12-year-old or even maybe 5-year-old self is just so happy right now. My family is already there. We wanted to sleep in because we're having to drive back to the bay tonight. So we're not gonna get the full like fireworks experience and things like that, but I think just being there for a second will make my life. But yeah, we do have to drive back today because today is Monday, and I don't want to have to take off Tuesday too. And I already know like the whole like waking up early to get on the road, like I'm not feeling that. I want to go to bed tonight in my own place. So we're about to get up at the hotel. It was really cute. It's like kind of like a studio apartment. Montez found a really great hotel. And then Disneyland is 25 minutes away, and so we're about to head there now. Montez is very cute today. I don't know if y'all follow him on Instagram, but he showed he cut his own hair.
I did cut my own hair.
Looks so good. And I like this like beach vibe vacation shirt you got on.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Thank you.
Always working.
Not always, but yeah.
The man who makes it happen. My favorite shoes I wear all the time. My favorite Zara slacks. Crop top from Aritzia. Makeup, jewelry, glasses. You know the vibes. Okay. I wanted to talk about yesterday a little bit. So, has my dad been on the vlogs before?
Yeah.
Okay. So. If y'all know my dad, he is very fun, very extra guy. He loves to capture a moment, which is why we were filming a little music video on the beach, even though that was my idea. But it just was feeling like that was the vibe, the direction should be taken into. And even how I got into video stuff was, or photo specifically, is my dad would wake me up at 5 a.m. every morning to take pictures of him, like, because he was on like this weight loss journey, and your abs look best in the morning, and so he would wake me up super early to take pictures of his abs when I lived with him. And so that, I feel like that has just continued, and he just has such a love and a passion for capturing moments. Like even like he went to Clark Atlanta, and like they'll resurface clips that he took like on his camcorder, like while he was there, like during Freaknik and stuff like that. And so it just makes me want to, what did I say?
Freaknik.
Freaknik, sorry. Freaknik. I'm like Freaknik. Freaknik. Yeah. What was it? Oh, but so that's just made me like want to capture more memories, and like, you know, what is this gonna look like in however many years? Like, I'm so excited to know. But yeah, we're going to Disneyland, first time. Montez is also first time. He's been to Disney World, but I was trying to explain to him that that's not the same thing. They're different. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm not a huge roller coaster girl. Not really my thing. I like the more interactive rides, but not like a huge roller coasters, which I think the way it was explained to me is that like Disneyland is really good for these interactive rides, but like the Space Mountain one does look a little bit scary. I can handle some scary, but not too much. I also get really bad motion sickness, so I don't want to be sick, but we'll see. I'll push myself out of my comfort zone a little bit and try Space Mountain just for the picture. I'm honestly just wanting to do it for the picture.
We are here.
All right, Montez got us some magic to get our tickets fixed, so we're about to go meet up with my family now. It's hot out here, child. Okay, Dad, give me these. We're reliving the childhood I never had. They've been in line forever.
Y'all still haven't gone through?
Everybody, all the way down to Justin.
Y'all still haven't gone through yet? Bro, I don't want to hit somebody in the head with food. I got a mandolin. I'll throw that. I threw it too high. You want me to throw the ears?
Babe! Babe! Babe!
You hit someone in the head.
I'm so sorry.
Let's walk. Let's leave the scene. Let's leave the scene. And we're leaving. Montez has hit someone in the head.
Yeah, I got lobster mac.
Yeah.
I got a tuna salad sandwich. And then Montez got lobster
roll.
So good. And it wasn't terribly expensive.
Not really was. I mean, kind of expected.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't be afraid. Woo! How was that?
It was fun. Give me off.
You had fun?
Yeah, it was fun. Wait a million hours for that.
Say what?
I said you wait a million hours
For that 10
for a
second.
little second of fun. That's a Cancer and a Sag for you. I just realized that was Montez's and I first roller coaster.
Our first roller coaster together.
Love that.
It was fun.
I was very scared, guys, but Montez had
Had a
me.
lot of fun.
He
I had you
me.
too. I had you. I had you.
Now I'm just like a ball of adrenaline. Let's go to Buzz Lightyear.
Check for immediate launch to infinity and beyond.
That doesn't sound like Chris Evans. You do have that Chris Evans jumping.
Mini Blackies.
All right, Space Rangers.
I did something. Hey, wait, how did you do that?
Ooh, look at my score. Shoot Zerd, shoot Zerd. Right. On Juneteenth, observe.
We'll get that one again, Montez.
Alright. Big C. I got it. In the.
That was fun. Look at our score. Montez ate me up.
Mission accomplished, Space
I play
Rangers.
first person shooter games, so
You did really good.
Check the status for
That was
12,000
cute and
points.
fun.
Yeah, good job.
I am Space Ace.
I'm a space scout.
Montez is Space Scout. That sounds good.
Sounds good.
That was cute.
Yep. On to
Alright.
the adventure part.
Yep, the adventure part. And find me some Sprite. That would be also nice. Look at my face. I was probably talking to you.
You got me with the camera and the gun.
In order to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored ones. As the defenders of the throne of Wakanda, our sole mission is to protect the king, the Black Panther himself. It is tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by their tribe to train as a Dora.
When Montez threw the thing, what did it hit?
When Montez threw the Mandarin, he was like, he almost hit this white lady. She says, "Oh, that's a good throw. Oh, that's a good throw."
What's your name?
Back the camera up. Is being a content creator.
Oh.
I do it for other people right now, but one day soon, it'll be a stream of revenue for me. We just got out the web slingers line because it was very long. So now, I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Black Panther is out. I'm gonna go look for Black Panther.
Okay.
I'm gonna look for Black Panther because I really want to see his ass. Wakanda forever.
So they're about to go ride Space Mountain, which you guys know we already did. I really want to find Black Panther. I think my dad is coming over here. He's kind of overwaiting in the lines, and I'm waiting on Montez. He rode the Incredicoaster twice.
I can hit this Incredicoaster all by myself. I'm not tripping. I'm all up for a solo roller coaster. Mind if I ride with you? Cool.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yo, that was so fun. I'm going the second time. Not ashamed at all. Going twice in a row. Round 2 on the Incredicoaster.
And the baby is gone. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo!
I promise that's me.
What does he do?
Yes, first time you start?
Goofy Sky School.
I'm scared again. I'm always scared.
Should be okay.
We'll see.
It's a baby one. It's a little one.
Yeah. But I'm a baby.
She's a baby.
I did not like that. Here comes another one.
I did not like that. One more dip. Here's a little dip. See, a little dip. It's a little dip. Okay, a little wavy wave.
Oh, Jesus. Baby's first time at Disneyland complete. It was really fun. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
And now I'm really tired. And now we have a whole drive ahead of us. So,
6 hours.
6 hours.
When I woke up this morning, Montez, after having literally no sleep, put these desks together. And now mine just got done. And now I have a standing desk. Very grateful for this. Our apartment is just coming along. Montez is over here. Ignore the space, we're gonna figure it out. But this is Montez's over here. He's getting himself set up. So this table here used to be here. So now we have this desk. This table may stay here. I don't know. We're gonna figure out the table situation. Yeah. This is just early stages of figuring out the apartment, especially when you work from home. Like, you really need a desk, so we're figuring out. I think the table is just a little bit too big. We didn't really map out the space before getting it. So part of me, I hate returning things, so part of me is just like, we need to just figure out how to keep this table. But if it doesn't work, then we'll have to figure something out. But yeah, desk is here. Also really want to get a treadmill. This brand, they make treadmills that can go under your desk, your standing desk. So I really want to get a treadmill to go right here, because yesterday at Disney showed me that I really need to be walking more. My feet hurt so bad. My knees was hurting, child. Everything was hurting. So I was like, we need to up these steps. Like, I thought I was doing something with my little walks here and there. No, it needs to be every day. So that is something that taught me. And I mean, we have a standing desk, so that's great. But I would love to get like a treadmill so I could just be like walking and working. And I saw this one girl who has one. Oops, sorry. I saw this one girl who has one, and she gets like 15,000 steps in a day, every day. So it just feels super easy. So, and you're not walking super fast, like you're literally walking like at a baby's pace. But like, I edit all day. Like, my job is so sedentary, so like having something like a treadmill, but I feel like even the standing desk is a huge improvement. So I'm just not sitting all day. So grateful. All right, I got work to do. Have you seen that Beyonce video where she's like, I got work to do. I got work to do. I got a job, baby. Bye.